Happy birthday to our very own founder, the mother of Team Judy, Judy Morales. We are thankful for you. Your leadership is an inspiration to us. We wish you peace, good health, and happiness. May your day be filled with lots of love, laughter, and memorable moments. God is going to shower you with all you desire today. And now, here are your friends who want to wish you a happy birthday. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Hello, Ma'am Judy Morales. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Good health and sana mahanap mo lang yung forever. Be strong always dahil andito lang kaming mga Team Judy para sa'yo. We always support you, love you, and care for you. Once again, happy birthday, Ma'am Judy Morales. I love you.
Hi Ma'am Judy, happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa iyo na sana lagi kang masigla at matibay sa lahat ng pagsubok na darating sa buhay mo. Kaya niyo po yan Ma'am Judy. Again, happy birthday po, and may you have more birthday to come, and more life, more love, and Lord bless you always. God bless.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma'am Judy.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Judy. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi.
Ingat po
Andito lang po
malagi.
kaming mga Team Judy. Hindi man kami nagpaparamdam sa inyo lagi, pero tatandaan niyo po, andito lang po kami. More blessings po sa inyo, Ma'am
More
Judy.
blessings.
At thank you po.
Thank you po.
At lagi din po kayong nandyan para sa amin. Thank you po.
Thank you
Ang
po.
wish ko lang po para sa birthday nyo ay good health po. Nasa inyo naman na po ang lahat.
Bye.
Ingat na lang po palagi, Ma'am Judy. Thank you po. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Judy.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello po Ma'am Judy. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. Wish ko po ay good health. Stay happy. Alam ko po may mga pagsubok na dumarating. Hindi ka po pababayaan ni God dahil sa kapusan nakilala ko po may mabuting puso at kalooban. Enjoy your day and stay happy and stay kind. Nandito lamang po kami, Team Judy, to support you and love. Happy birthday po ulit. And love you. Bye-bye.
Hello po, Ma'am Judy. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and many blessings for the year ahead. God bless. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Judy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Judy.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Judy.
More blessing and stay healthy and pretty. Laban lang tayo, pakatatag lang sa hamon ng buhay natin. Sana tumagal pa tayo bilang isang team at bilang isang pamilya. Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday, love you!
Happy birthday po Ma'am Judy. Sana bumalik na po kayo sa YT para makapag-mingo na po. More blessing pa po. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Judy. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Judy.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Judy. I hope your birthday wishes dream come true. Happy birthday, Ma'am Judy. I hope your birthday wishes dream come true.
Hi, Ma'am Judy. Happy birthday. More blessing to come. Tsaka, ingat ka po lagi dyan.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Judy Morales. Enjoy your day po. God bless you and more blessings to come. Stay pretty and healthy. Nandito lang po kami mga babies mo ng Team Judy. Always support po sa inyo. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hello, Ma'am Judy. Happy birthday to you. Wish ko more blessings and healthy ka. Tsaka yung mga problema mo sa buhay, sana malampasan mo and always be happy and be kind. Thank you sa lahat. Love na love ka namin. Thank you. Team Judy, press 1, press 1.
Hello, Ma'am Judy. Happy birthday. Naway bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming blessing. Salamat po sa lahat ng blessing na binibigay mo sa amin. Lagi ka pong nag-share sa amin at hindi mo po kami nakakalimutan. Naway gabayan ka lagi ni Lord. Happy birthday. God bless po. Happy birthday, Ma'am Judy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Judy. Naway bigyan ka pa po ni Lord ng masaya at mahabang buhay. Sana po matupad po lahat ng mga wishes nyo. And thank you po. Kasi hindi ka po bumibitaw sa Team Judy. Andyan ka po palagi. At kahit hindi man po tayo magkakausap palagi, but still, andyan pa rin po kayo bilang founder po, nanay ng Team Judy. Thank you po. We love you, Ma'am Judy. Enjoy your day. God bless po.
We love you, Ma'am Judy. Stay beautiful and sexy. Enjoy your day. From your Team Judy family.